Hey guys, welcome back to my FoodJoints. Today I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to make the sexiest barbecue wings you have ever made, tasted in your life. Succulent, tender, crispy, voluptuous wings you have ever tasted. Part of me doesn't even want to give you this recipe because this will become a serious obsession. But I'm gonna plug you. I am going to plug you. These barbecue wings will change your life. Mandem, if you want that PS5, make your WCW these wings. Girls, if you want that Birkin bag, make your MCM these wings. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, please press the thumbs up button. Yeah, let's get into the wings. Alright, boom. So get yourself some chicken wings. Then you're gonna want to clean your wings with lemon juice or vinegar. Cut the wings. What I did is cut it along the bone into 2 pieces. Now this step you can season the chicken how you want because the best part is in the sauce. So for this video I use salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper. I used about 2 to 3 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning. Serious? 1 tablespoon of garlic granules. Serious? And 1 tablespoon of my special ingredient, Chinese 5 spice.
My love is increased.
Now mix in the seasonings, ensuring every wing is covered. We're gonna make our coating for the wings, starting with plain flour, half a cup of corn flour, about a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, or 2. Then I got lazy showing all the ingredients to the camera, but I added all the same things as before. I added salt, black pepper. Oh, here we go, smoked paprika. Smoky. AD doing the camera work. You can follow him on socials there. Now with our seasonings, we're gonna mix it all. Then crack 2 eggs and whisk. Now we are gonna coat our wings by submerging it into the egg, dipping and dabbing it into the flour, ensuring it's fully coated. Come on. Then dust off any excess flour to ensure a thin batter. Now I place the wings on a tray to allow the flour to soak in and stick to the wings. Right. Turn off the scratch. Place oil on medium heat. Now place some wings into the pot. It should take around 6 to 8 minutes until it's golden brown. Due to the size of the pot I was using, I fried 4 or 5 at a time. Now it's the important part. The sauce, the most important part. We're gonna start with the barbecue sauce. 3/4 of a cup only for the amount I'm making. If you're gonna make a larger portion, then just remember the ratios. 1/4 of a cup of honey. If you can get your hands on this, Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. Mate, this sauce on its own is sexy, oh my days. But if you can't get your hands on it, then just use normal hot pepper sauce, you'll be fine. 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic. Then 1/4 to 1/2 tablespoon of crushed chili flakes. Now we need something to balance out all that sweet, so we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce and come on, Chinese 5 spice. You know the vibes. Come on. Look at that golden brown wings already. Now we're gonna mix the sauce and bring it up to a boil. Then reduce the heat to simmer for about 5 minutes.
Oh my goodness.
And that sound effect was needed because the sauce was smelling so damn good. Oh my days.
My love is increasing.
Now we've got here our golden crispy chicken wings. we're gonna get the wings and fully submerge it into the sauce and place it on the tray, ready for the grill. First of all, I think you guys need to take time. Listen to this. Crispy.
Yes.
Crispy.
Yes.
All the wings crispy.
Oh, yeah. Serious.
Ignore that bit, but yeah, that's how you win it. Get the wings, coat it in the barbecue sauce, then place it under the grill, let it caramelize 10 minutes, and then boom.
Serious.
Come on guys, look at this. Look at this.
Serious.
Art.
Serious.
This is art.
Serious.
You guys don't have to fry it like I did. You can cook it in the oven, you can grill it, you can do what you like. It's all about the sauce. Make sure you get the ratios correctly to get the sauce. The sauce, the sauce, the sauce, the sauce. The sauce will change your life. Gordon Ramsay would enjoy these wings. So I put the grill on 150 degrees. I'm going to leave the wings underneath there for about 10 minutes just to caramelize. Nothing longer than that, otherwise it will have a bitter taste. But voila!
My love is increased.
Yes! The sexiest barbecue wings you will ever make, taste in your whole life.
Oh, yes. My FoodJoints. Come on.
Sweating, man. So that's how you make the barbecue, sexy barbecue wings. Obviously, we've got a special guest. Hey, no. And now we've got a special guest, Mr. Darko.
Oh, hey, didn't see you then. Obviously, they call me AD, aka the wings connoisseur. Obviously, I'm not an easy judge, but we're gonna see what it's saying. Obviously, Swiss know that I'm not gonna lie about the taste, so hopefully this will be nice. Yeah. Bro, let me not lie, this is actually peng. Aye. Out of 10, 9. Maybe even 10. Oh my days. I'm not even playing. I'm not even doing this for your thing, but this is peng.
Oh, we love to see it, man. So, man, done made this for your wife, man. That PS5 is coming soon. Coming real quick.
I'm gonna have to soak up with these for my room wash Wednesday. Need to secure that thing.
Serious joint here, man. Bam. Hey, my eyes can actually roll back, did it? Alright.
These are peng. Oh my days, peng wings for real.
Man. My wife made me this, yeah. I was actually falling in love. It's not even the last thing, like.
No crap.
Oh, serious joint here, man. But yeah, that's all for the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, all them things there. Yeah, any more recipes, link. But it's actually
This is a good another thing.
Please like, comment, subscribe, all them things there, and yeah, catch you in the next video. Peace.